Oh,
What the fuck?
Check out g2a.com.
Oh, shit! Hello, PR Reacts UD Posting people! Kami ay nagbabalik para sa panibago na namang PR Reacts! At kasama ko ulit si Gloco, si Chris, and si John. Sino ang nawawala? Si Ken.
look at this dude.
Kaya, magsasorry agad ako kasi last time, hindi ko na knew.
Wow!
Marami palang na-post dito sa PRUD Posting. Sorry na. Patawarin nyo na po ako.
Ain't no way, bro.
I love you all.
Actually saying sorry? No way, bro. What time na yun?
I love you all, guys.
That ain't no way, bro.
Pagpasensyahan nyo na po yung mga kasama ko. Hindi kasi sinabi sa akin.
Aba, putang na
Newbie lang ako sa,
take it
sa
back.
PRUD
Never
Posting.
mind. Holy shit, he does not take accountability
Nilipat rin eh.
at all, bro. My goodness. Okay, lore accurate trinil. Go, bro. Do it, bro.
Ano?
Do it, bro.
Game na ba kayo para sa
naman.
another PRUD Posting reaction?
Ang tanong, game na ba sila?
Game
na ba sila
na.
for us to shit on them? Absolutely shit on them, bro. Go, go,
Game na.
Go, go, go.
Simulan agad natin.
Ganyan ka ba sa CBN 11?
Oy, ano agad
shit.
to?
Ain't no way, bro.
Putang na, ganyan.
Pusang ina, aray.
Oh, si Chris yan sa ako. Mag-asa.
There, that's a Yakuza heat move right there, bro. I love it. Putang ina. Damn, bro. Where are we when things like this happen, bro? Putang ina. Why can't I see shit like this in IRL?
Ay,
Oh, man.
si Jan. Tanungin mo si Vanilla.
Wag.
Oo, diba niya?
Na-trauma yun si Jan, oh.
Ibang nangyari sa 7-Eleven dun sa ano eh. Dun sa
Ibang sa labas ng 7-Eleven.
Ano lang dun, ganyan din pero pinasok sa kotse, yun lang.
Direct na dampot eh. Okay, game next.
Umpot pala sa ano. Grabe. Lakas ang ulan ngayon. Ingat po sa lahat. Next tayo. Uy, lock screen ni Sisi? Anong lock screen ni Sisi, Gloco?
Look at
What
my
the fuck
lock
is that?
screen.
Hindi, sa taas pa. Sa taas. What is that? Ay.
Si JM. Ano ba? Spoiler kasi doon!
Dapat spoiler doon kasi para di makita.
Ganda na lakso yun mo, par.
Oh my gosh!
Actually, a pretty good lock scene. Holy shit.
Sir King Go.
Sobrang liwanag din eh pag
Gloco
binuksan mo.
Pakita po ng mga lock screen nyo. Yung kami-kami hindi yung iba baka naman i-post nyo iba, okay?
What do you mean? Lock screen natin or lock
Baka
screen
baka may lock screen sila na ako or si Chris or si John or si Ken na ganyan rin, okay?
Ako, lock screen
So
ko.
pagandahan ng lock screen, okay? Dito nang sisimula.
Ganda ng lock screen ko. Tapos
Ito ang lock screen ko.
Pag na-unlock yan.
Sheesh!
Pag na-unlock yan.
Ano?
Pag na-unlock yan si pre-rent. Boom, naging pula. See that shit. Sheesh.
Ano gagawin?
Wala lang. Siyempre, inggit yan sila kasi wala silang ganun na free rent lock screen. Okay.
Okay, next tayo.
Next. Ain't no.
Puta, 4D version ng 3D version ni Gloco Crunch.
Save mo nga yan. Save that shit, Nil. Save that shit.
Ay,
Save that shit. Gagawin kong
God.
reaction image yan. This is... Wait lang. Ako, pag sinasabihan na ako na gumawa ng Squid Game dub parody. That's it, bro.
Napakaliit ko naman parang... It's HD, bro.
It's a work of art. No?
What the hell, bro?
High quality, ano, what the fuck, man?
Actual painting.
Napakalaki ang putik.
It's a Renaissance painting, bro.
Punta ka, check mo.
Let's go, bro.
Renaissance painting, gag.
The Tricksters and King.
Okay, next.
That is nice.
Next. Ain't no way, bro.
Schedule on. Tatawa agad ako.
There you go. Play it, bro. I can't believe you missed this. You missed all of this, Nick.
Ma'am, hindi po. Mga ano nga lang, ma'am, yun, mga 1 week lang yata. Tina Pangaliban Perez, nakatuto, 24.
What?
I think Ken was saying something along the lines na parang kulang yung pera binibigay sa schedule 1. Something like that.
I don't get it, bro.
I don't get it, bro.
I get it, but it's not that deep, okay?
Yeah, bro.
Swear to fucking God.
The perfect hand gesture.
swear to fucking
For sure,
God,
it's for Chris, bro.
I swear to fucking God.
Oh my God.
What the hell?
Oh,
Putang ina.
that is nice. Love it yun na.
Oh, no.
Valorant, uy.
Valorant can't do this, bro.
Aba, labanan na naman ng CSGO versus Valorant,
Ano,
ah.
It's a John meme, bro.
Whoa, 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 wait.
Ba't din yung gawin sa Dota yan? Wait, what else are we looking at here? Oh, ano yun? Yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun. Damn.
Damn, bro.
Why
That's
CS2
long,
is better, bro.
That's why CSGO better, bro. Restraining order, bro.
Daring cheater.
Oh, shit. Let's go.
Oh, shit, bro. Can Reese restraining order.
Restraining order ang puta.
Galing kay Gabriel.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Ain't no way, bro.
Saan yun nakuha yun? What the
Where the
hell?
fuck did you guys
Iba,
get
iba
that?
nagagawa ng putangga sa isang
Bro,
tao, gago.
Bro, I'm enjoying you deposing right now. Holy shit, you guys
Yeah,
are based.
Damn,
You
bro.
guys are based.
Right in front of Chris's lunch. Ain't no way, bro. Sarap. Gago, buta na kumain na ako. Alright, next. Busog na naman yung mga baby girls niyan. Hi,
Bro. Bro, more restraining order.
Okay, game.
Next tayo. Side hustle ng mga OFW.
No, in no way.
Every dig.
Oh shit! Let's go! Going to ship na!
Umamos kami na Twitch adaptation in Qatar.
Ain't no way, bro. Holy shit, they're actually going. Damn! Walang jockey, oh! Walang
Ang
jockey,
malupit.
they're just going.
Ang malupit, dire-diretso sila.
Puta
Yung iba
na.
hindi kumakaliwa or bumabalik.
Parang sigbin eh.
Oh, look at that guy. Holy shit, look at those camels, bro. Putang ina.
Gago,
Wala,
1v1
wala.
yun, no? Dalawa sila, oh.
PCC Reza, putang ina. Frontrunner yung ano, gago si Tama. Oh my god.
Oh, shit!
Mayano, tapa lang. Oh, just spare that weekend.
Oh, shit!
Maroon and
Vaccine!
Putang ina. Alam
Why
na
did it cut
Damn,
like
bro.
that, man? Di ba na pinatapos?
Wala.
Bro, ain't no, not gonna lie, I kinda wanna, diba pumunta akong Japan this time, I wanna watch I wanna watch horse racing, bro.
The
Sa
fuck?
Japan, meron?
Hindi nil.
Meron doon?
Hindi nil. Putang ina. Ain't no way, bro. Saan kaya binasa ng Uma Musume yung game nila, diba?
Bobo.
Hindi, I mean sa ibang lugar doon, hindi sa mga Tokyo or ano, no?
Hindi, dun din, okay? Every year may ganun, okay?
Di lang every year,
Holy
pre.
shit.
Malay mo.
Every
Every
other month.
day.
Every other month, okay?
Mga pala editor,
Yeah,
baka ano yun baka copyright yun. Just check.
No way,
Just
boy.
use the other, ano,
Oh my fucking god. Here we go. Nasa Uma
Oh my
Musume
God, si
era
every
na
dig,
tayo.
bro. Every dig, bro. Every dig.
That song actually,
Tik na yan. Kingin na yan.
napanood natin to eh. Ay hindi, ako pala napanood ko na to sa ano.
Ba't sa
Karin to.
bangko yun? Dig na yan.
Damn, bro. Awful, oh. Ain't no
Tik na
way.
yan.
Damn!
Holy shit, look at that guy, bro. Putang na sa Tokay Teo yun, gago. Boom!
Yun ang meme.
Oh no, puro umusume memes pre.
Yes, everyone's getting converted, okay?
No, si Every dig. Damn,
I don't know
bro.
what you're
Every
talking
dig,
about, man.
Every dig, bro.
every dig.
Nice, Chris.
I wanna gawin ko yun sa router natin.
Ba't ka tumingin sa router mo, Vanilla?
Tinignan niya kung may mga galamay.
Gago, meron na. Ganyan nga lang.
Boy, about to do it, bro.
Nakatipos kasi yung router ko. Sabi ko, oo nga, no?
Putang ina, kayang-kaya sa Asus router natin. You know, bro. Bed spacer be like, oh shit.
Ano pa, si Idol Ken.
Nagtulugan yan.
Putang ina. Parang pang ano eh. Pang pandesal eh. Tang ina. You know, this is actually the first time I've seen this. So, tang ina. Itong bed spacer. Kita na ba yung layout ng schedule mo natin? Holy shit. No way, bro.
Hindi ko
Tangina,
matataas.
tangina tulugan yan eh.
Never ko pa nakita yun. Tang ina. Holy shit. Actually looks good. Holy shit. Okay, next.
Next
Fuck!
Oh my god.
I think I already watched.
Every glow, man.
Exactly me, bro.
It's glow, bro.
actually me,
Gloco
bro.
Dubs.
It's actually me last time, bro. That was me yesterday, bro. Putang ina.
Alam mo na, pag mag-dub ka, Musume, gago.
Look at that fucking putang ina. Taiki shuttle,
Tikman.
Taiki shuttle. Hey, no, he actually wins, bro. That's me. That was me. That was me yesterday, bro. That's me every day, actually.
Uy, yan ba yung kasama niya dun sa season?
Oo.
Oo,
Yeah,
sa
sa
season
season
2. Hindi ko alam
It all
nakakita.
connects, bro. It all interconnects, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Damn.
Yeah, bro.
Gloco Dubs Squid Game on the way.
Nah, bro.
Alam na. Dahil sa
Next.
Alam
Musume.
na, bro.
When you're in a long distance relationship and ano?
Your
Your
right
right
hand
hand
isn't
isn't
enough
enough
anymore.
anymore.
Ay, na superhero movie ang puta.
Ay, copyright ito ha.
Ang alin, yung movie or yung song?
Lahat!
Tik na yan. Tasakali.
Ang ina yan, mga ano sa mga trabahador sa schedule 1 yan eh.
Puta eh.
Nakakalat yung bed.
Next tayo. Derek Ramsey.
Tapos na tayo dyan.
Tapos na tayo dito.
Tapos na tayo dyan.
Tapos na rin tayo dito.
Wala na, tapos na tayo. Lods.
What the
One
fuck?
day
Ain't
ago.
no way, bro. Tapos na.
Tapos na
Tapos na,
tayo
tapos.
dyan. Hindi, ano yan?
Wala na,
Tataan lang natin.
Wala na, tapos na. Na-react na kahapon.
Ain't no way, bro. Oh no.
Hindi,
Kaya
meron
pangit
pa, meron
pagkasunod
pa
eh.
yan.
Ain't no way. 11 minutes PRX, bro.
Hindi, meron pa yan.
12 minutes eh.
Di mag-scroll down tayo sa mga
For Gloco, for Gloco, for Gloco.
Panood ko na yun eh.
Hindi pa.
To take a break and have a little fun.
Okay.
Panood na natin yun eh.
Di pa!
Oo
Ngayon
na.
lang to!
Oh my god, ain't no way, bro. Napanood ko na yan. Oh shit! Ito, hindi pa natin na.
No, I'll call the animals in the alphabetical order. The zebra's feeling the water.
What the hell?
Go, bro. Yeah.
Oh, di ba?
shit.
Bago.
Oh shit,
Rematch
rematch
to-
memes. Ain't no way,
In
bro.
43 seconds.
Is this copyrighted?
Yeah, ibahin na lang. Oh, shish!
Oh no. What is happening here?
Oh my gosh!
Magmi-miss ba yan?
Hindi pa masyashot.
Masterpiece, bro! Masterpiece!
Puta si number 69. What is happening?
Masterpiece, bro.
Nice PR, bro.
Average diamond matches, man.
Yung PR rematch.
Tang ina yun.
Accurate, very accurate.
Sa diamond
Accurate.
matches, ganyan pa rin.
You know what's not accurate? Their fucking kicks. Tang.
The fucking saves, bro.
Good posting graphic design for Gloco 1 year ago. Uy!
Uy, third placer? Uy.
Uy!
Damn!
Damn, actually, that looks good. Holy
A
shit.
prolific content creator.
A prolific content creator on YouTube, this individual is widely recognized for their exceptional
Quality content covering a diverse range of topics including video games, anime, and community-centric
Nice,
content.
community-centric.
Renowned
Ain't no
under
way, bro.
the aliases Gloco
Damn,
Opinions.
Gloco Opinion,
Hey,
ain't no
your
way,
Pinoy's
bro.
Place!
Ain't
Ikaw pala si
no
Pinoy's
way.
Place.
What the-
Mr. Pinoy's
Gloco Opinions.
That's
Place!
ChatGPT, bro. Put si Gloco Opinion.
And Pinoy's Realm. Oh, Mr. Pinoy's Realm. They have gathered a loyal following for
Can
their
you just skip? Can
inside
you just go now?
commentary and changing game. Sorry.
Just go, bro. Forget it, forget it.
Okay, that's nice.
Forget
Nice.
it, forget it.
We got it. Okay.
PR episodes.
PR
be
episodes
like
be like.
2 days ago, oh shit. Hoy! Ano ba?
Bumaba.
Ayan, nag-scroll agad si Eyeball doon. Wala na. Damn, fucking every day doing it every day. Tinilian. Juche.
Ba't kaya dami mong haters still eh?
Okay, napanood na natin yan.
Lala ko talo yung peak. Ito, satisfaction at finest.
9 months dahil okay.
Okay.
I wonder if may mental effect sa development ng mga babies. Yeah. Just because
Is that too deep, bro?
No. It could be deep, bro. Like anything you do, like anything you eat, well, the baby's in the stomach, anything it listens to, it will have an effect, bro. So is it that deep or not? We shall find out, bro. Subukan ko to sa anak ko. If he turns out to be a piece of shit, kasalanan ko yun, okay?
He's gonna grow up like a piece of shit regardless if you put like a fucking cheese in his head or not. Because you're a piece of shit as well. It's in the genes.
No, he's gonna grow up to be a piece of cheese, bro. Play that
Next
shit,
tayo.
bro. Play that shit, bro. Ultraman. Ultraman na pala. How did you put that there?
Shit, man. We're gonna show this on the internet, man.
Why, bro?
Why, bro? It's just a frog. It's just Ultraman, bro.
Tana kung ipis ka!
Alam mo yung nakakatuwang nakakatuwang frog yung
No, that's
Yun
old,
lang.
bro.
Sorry. Next tayo.
I find this weirdly
Copyrighted
satisfying,
yun,
bro. What? How do you know?
Puta, kanta ni Glock 9 yun,
Oh! Alam na natin
Tapos
to
natin
eh.
yan.
tapos na yan.
Ooh!
Damn.
God damn!
You see that, John? You see that?
I'm a buzzing, bro.
Damn, I haven't heard John at all, bro. The whole fucking
Pinoy's reacts to it. We're just reacting. I'm reacting it with my...
Ain't no
I'm reacting,
fucking way, bro.
There's
Ain't
literally
Ain't
nothing
no
else
way.
to say, bro.
Ain't no way you didn't bust a nut seeing that, bro.
I did not, bro.
Ano yan?
Dapat nag-you-laugh-you-lose lang tayo, po. Ang weak naman ng mga pasa na to.
Whoa.
Wow!
Sino
Dito
ang
muna
salary?
tayo sa tatlo.
Alright, I think we've
What is
already
this?
seen this before.
Have you? Okay na yan.
Yeah, we've already seen this.
Wala to. Ito.
3 days ago, repost from
What
3
the
days
fuck?
ago. What? Di mo hat pa ako dyan, oh.
Like shit, I wanted to kiss her, and then I was like,
Oh,
"Pwede
wait.
ba kita halikan?" And then I was like, slowly,
Yeah,
sa
I know
cheeks
this.
muna.
And then,
Tapos pek-pek sa iyo. Wait!
you know, I kind of get it now kung paano siya mga, out of context.
No way!
Kasi sa chicks na sinabi
The
mo.
order of work and the choice of words.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Monster Hunter games be like...
Damn, bro. Can't believe Monster Hunter Wilds fell off. Not even a year.
After a month.
Di ko gets to.
It's just typical Kinsek flavors. No?
I don't get it. Ito, mag-isa ka lang sa bahay nyo.
Di ba tumatawa yung kid ko?
Damn, bro.
And this is
Okay,
rich,
next
man.
na tayo.
I am...
Daanan na natin yung mga repost.
Sige nga, yeah.
Oh,
Tapos tayo
sheesh.
yan.
Alam na natin na,
Tapos
bro.
Tapos na tayo dyan.
Tapos na tayo dyan, bro.
Yeah,
di ba natawa si Jan?
Actually, bro. Imagine if he
Tangina,
actually...
Ito, kumalat na
lopsided
to.
din, no?
Kumalat na tong picture mo na to.
Yeah, nga.
Yeah, ginagamit na nga pang reaction na yan eh.
Bakit? Yan yung legacy ko ngayon. No? Putang ina.
Ito, PR out of context.
Bakit ulit? Sabi na eh.
Okay na yun.
Once in a blue moon moments, I guess.
Nagpakita yung ano. Putang inang yan. Tayo ng
Wait,
thumbnail
nasa
yan.
Reddit?
Pang ano eh.
Ah, di, that's YouTube.
Ba't ganon? Ba't ganon yung position niya?
It's actually a very good thumbnail. Shout out
It's actually
sa'yo.
pretty good.
Pero putang
Pretty good
ina,
thumbnail
fuck,
actually.
diba?
Nakagana lang.
That's something, bro.
Pretty good thumbnail. Oh damn! What the
Oh,
fuck?
damn.
Holy shit.
3 years ko na ginawa to, I think hindi na sila nadagdagan. Yun lang.
No.
Global Vanilla.
Get your pen, bro.
Yeah.
Start drawing.
Damn, actually pretty good,
damn, bro.
Madcom. Ain't
That
no
is something,
way.
bro. That is something,
bro,
bro.
ba't wala na? Wala na kasunod.
Okay lang yan.
Mad calm.
Kasi di tayo nagpo-post ng mga...
Arise, soldier.
Hindi, okay lang.
Kala
yan.
kasi...
Di mo na kailangan
Editan na
mag-drawing.
sila.
Huwag ka mape-pressure.
Oh.
Huwag ka magpapapressure
Wala,
kay Trinil.
oo.
Tanga na. Nangihingi lang yan ng free art. Huwag kang...
Gagamitin niya sa thumbnail niya tapos di ka kay-credits siya.
Oo, ganyan yan.
Wow, ganun ba ginagawa mo? Reflection,
bro.
pre. Sheesh.
So lahat yan bayad yung akin gago.
Oo.
O ano?
Wow.
May resibo
I
gago.
have receipts.
May resibo gago.
Paldo, mukha ko lang ginagamit ko sa akin, ah. Next tayo. Mogs.
Fine. Oh, what the fuck? For Neil, bro. Ano yan?
GPU ni Neil. 7-10-25. 7-11-25.
I don't get it.
I don't get it.
Gets ko to. Kasi bumigay siya. Okay. Nag-post ako.
Alright. Gets ka.
Pero GPU mo ba talaga?
Bro got the old man's hat.
Hindi Dota lang ata.
Second coming mo pala Tagloko eh.
The team mo hat, bro.
Ito pala ang mga ano mo eh.
Yan yung ano ni All Might, yung buhok niya.
Kotali.
Okay.
I thought it's all about horse gambling. The state upon me after reading the Rice Shower lore.
Ano ba yung lore niya?
Nabasa mo na ba, Gloco?
Oo, nabasa ko na yun. Bago pa nga.
What's her lore, bro?
What's his lore?
Basically, you wanna know the lore? So,
Yes.
she's like, favored siya na matalo, okay?
Oh,
Like, parang,
what the fuck?
let's say for example, ang favorite, si
Pacquiao.
Si Pacquiao, di ba? So, parang, nagpusta ka na kay Pacquiao, di ba? Na parang, easy win kay Pacquiao. For some reason, pag yung mga favored na kabayo, may 3 successive wins na yung favorite na kabayo ng mga tao. Tapos, parang, kumbaga, isang panalo na lang dun sa favorite kabayo na yun. Siya na yung parang all-time GOAT. Kumbaga, may special award or para mapapunta na siya sa sa parang Hall of Fame, ganun.
Sa GOAT.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyways, this bitch right here, si Rice Shower, she's like, on those times, dun lang siya naglo-lock in. She's like, nah, fuck you, bro. Out of spite, I will win. So, ayun.
I don't get it, bro.
She beats, tinatalo niya yung mga
Favorite horse.
number 1 favorite, yung mga favorite horses na mananalo na dapat ng 3-peat nila. So, she would lose on all.
So, para siya ang gatekeeper.
Kumbaga, she's the assassin of Kanto, bro. Yun yung
Damn, bro.
So, parang
Alam
siya
ko
naman,
naman,
like parang she was born to be a hero pero treated as a heel. So, pag nananalo siya, parang nagagalit yung mga tao, ganoon. So, kawawa siya. And then on her last race, she tripped and she broke her fucking foot and then euthanized siya sa
in the field.
Sa truck in the field mismo.
Damn, bro. People were probably so happy,
No, people were sad about it, bro.
Akala ko.
Kasi parang daw,
Sad
like
lord,
she was like alam na ng jockey daw niya na parang may off doon sa takbo niya. So she slowed down. Ay yung jockey niya pinapa-slow down si Rice Shower. Pero si Rice Shower, she was like, nah, I gotta win for my jockey. So tumakbo pa rin siya ng mabilis. Tapos yun na nabalian ng todo.
No,
Siya pala may kasalanan eh.
Yes, bro. Narinig
Sa
niyo yun,
tipo.
umamusa may community. Kasalanan pa ni Rice Shower, sabi ni Trinil.
Sayang naman.
Kasalanan ni Chris.
Sayang naman yung karne niya. Sana kinain natin.
Wow.
Ain't no way, bro. This guy, bro.
Next tayo.
Okay, the moon, bro.
The moon.
Junk Knight, Shovel Knight, Hollow Knight. Are there any other knights I should know about?
Okay.
The
Tapos
Moon
na tayo
Knight.
sa
Tapos na tayo
Marvel
sa Marvel
Rivals era.
scene.
Okay,
Okay, eyes, bro.
Go na, tayo guys. Go, para sa juice na to.
May juice
Pata ice to? Go. Palit ice ka.
palit ice, bro.
Putang ina.
Tanga yan. Bisaya people, am I right?
Ayo.
John,
Labas
Bisaya.
po kami sa sinabi,
John,
bro.
Bisaya people, am I right? He's questioning his identity. Tanga yan.
Actually, I have done that shit. Pero di ko pinasok sa bulsa ko.
So, pinasok.
Sa bibig ko, gago.
Kadiri gago.
Correct talaga.
Kadiri ka.
Ikaw pala yung final boss eh.
Bisaya people, am I right?
Go, Dex.
Go, bro. Oh, that's a perch. Wing. Yoink. Tangin na.
You just said that.
Ooh. Yoink. Juicy beggars. Putang ina. Gago. Boom. Damn.
Oh, dyan isa. Chunky boy din.
Masisipahin ko yan pag ganyan yan ako gago.
Chunky boy.
Doesn't want that shit. Naamoy niya, oy, putang ina, mumurahing cat food.
Pag ganyan ako
actually
ng
know.
puso,
Lawan
pero
the
fuck,
expensive stuff.
Do cats actually know if it's the expensive stuff or not?
I don't know. Alam ko may ibang mapili pag doon talaga lumaki.
Paano kung hindi
It's the
nila...
same with dogs.
Di wag niyo pakainin, di ba? You train it. You don't feed it. You feed it. It doesn't want to eat it. Then let it starve.
I mean, there's a way na ganyan ako. Kasi
what the dog
nakakain
doing,
hanggat
bro?
wala na choice. What the dog doing to you?
No. 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 No!
Why? Only guys never understand this thing.
Maybe if I actually said that. But I just take advantage of my program. What the fuck?
Not gonna lie, I would ask the same thing.
Maybe I actually said that. No, not gonna lie though. Like when it comes, I have a very.
Do you sometimes take advantage of my poor memory? What do you mean, no?
What the hell?
Kakasilang niya lang pero alam mo yun, parang alam mo na iniisip na yung ano niya. Iniisip na yung mga bills niya.
When sleeping on the side was enough pain for that poor guy. Go, bro.
Okay, you do not.
Kinangina.
Putang ina.
Yes, we're laughing at.
Yeah, we're laughing at homeless people getting fucked by hailstorms. Yes.
Amazing.
No, don't
Perfectly
play
cut
that.
same.
Don't play that.
Oh shit, it's Yojimbo, bro. Oh, that's me. Yeah, I wanna play. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck?
Dog seen some shit. Sige nga.
His dog isn't afraid of jack shit until it says one specific word, and he's fucking done. Watch. Vet? Shot? You want a shot? Vacuum. Look at vacuum. Big fat Yo. Oh my god, bro.
Okay.
The hell?
Ang inedit lang, no?
Kaya nga.
Edit in.
Parang.
It's a peer time.
What's up, peer time? Sabog na sabog ka eh.
Odin is boiled.
Odin is boiled.
Kahit sa malayo eh. Ayos na yan.
Tuwing ako pag rini-revive. What is this?
Uy, what is
1
this?
week before the anniversary, bigla up. What? Anniversary na ba? We didn't even know. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
Oh my gosh!
What the fuck? Anniversary na ba? Holy shit, ain't no way, bro.
Like ano lang, like
Only
few
we
days
didn't-
lang, 5 days na lang ata.
Literally, we didn't know.
God damn, bro!
We actually
Tapos
didn't
next
know.
year na ulit, guys.
We have beat the allegations.
Nah, yan natin.
Tama
We
nga,
are
once
cooking
episode a year.
PR cooking daw dyan when again.
well. Oh my god.
Yeah, pag may nahuli kami ganyang manok, what the fuck?
Putang ina, yan ang chokes to
It's
go.
literally a T-Rex. Ganun pala yung itsura ng manok, no? Parang T-Rex. Pag walang balayibo.
Malay nyo, T-Rex talaga sila.
Takina mo, Glock.
But it is a chooks to go. It is a chooks to
Ano
go.
siya, bro? Hindi na kailangan ng sauce, man. I would take a bite on it.
Putik na yan. You monster.
Ha, bro, I would, bro. Loko delivery
Dapat
rider.
delivery rider.
Putang ina yan, Maji. Damn, me on my super cup if I had a super cup.
Or do you?
I'm morally obligated to say I don't.
Oh,
Can't watch
shit.
CPR, bro.
Oh shit, bro.
Can't watch CPR before ilagay siya sa kaldero. Ain't no way, bro.
Bago gawing show, May. Oh.
Yeah, bro.
Imagine mo, no, sa 10,000 views, ilang views kaya dun yung pusa ang taas.
Pusa lang. Demographics natin, ito pala garo. Ain't no way, bro. K-pop Demon Hunters, dude. Oh shit, I wanna watch. Puta
Hindi
lang
pa panoorin mo, di pa nanonood.
Oh no.
Hindi ko
I am
gets.
so happy it's only 9 seconds. Holy shit. Oh shit, I wanna see you yapping.
Oh shit, I wanna see it.
Ayun, that was it. You know, Gloco, I think this is, if there was like a timeline wherein magkikita lahat and mabubuo pa rin yung PR, like ibang another timeline, you know, like low-key type shit. I think Gloco pa rin yung center. Alam mo, no? Siya pa rin yung mag-connect
siya pa rin,
sa lahat.
Siya pa rin.
Kasi kung di ko nakita yung Cat Mario video na nagmukha siyang, ano yun, alam mo yun.
Oh,
Siya ang
yapping here, bro.
godfather ng PR.
Cat Mario video, Yung bro. Lolo ka.
Cat Mario video,
Lolo ka
bro.
na.
El Padre.
Ito ba yung ginusto mo, ha? Nakikinig ka ba ngayon? Ito ba yung ginusto mo?
Yes.
Ito ba yung
No,
gusto mo?
no,
Ito ba yung gusto
Hindi
niya?
ka na dyan, ha? Hayop.
Ito ba yung gusto niyo?
Kinikilig ka na yata dyan.
Bro. Kinikilig nga ako. With cringe, bro.
Yan ang topic.
Kinikilig yung puwet ko, gago.
Yan ang topic.
Yan ang topic.
Wala kasi.
So close. That's gonna be you guys again, okay, in September.
Tama.
Just the 4 of you guys. Loko, what the fuck is this? Ano to?
What is this?
Loko, real Chad compliment. What? What's going on
Ah,
here?
yeah. The Zeus.
The
The
Zeus.
Zeus. Yeah, yung nilaro mo, yung Olympus
Siya nata
something.
nag-post, no?
Oo.
Siya nag-post eh.
Ah, okay,
Siya
okay.
nag-post.
Siya nag-post.
Nice.
Nag-stop ka na ata dyan? Ano, I'm not sure. It Bulaga is not for the weak. Sige nga.
Nager.
Kaya lang kailangan.
Nager. Maitim po ba siya?
Iba yun.
Alan, bro. I know, right? It Bulaga is unhinged as fuck. The good old days, bro. Okay, next.
I mean, nireview ni mga gago yung ano niya before and then he said that shit, you know. Hindi ka namin yun tayo. I think it wasn't really, you know, before. Like nobody was, I'm not gonna say educated enough.
Yeah. Game, baba. Ano to? What the fuck is it?
Ano to?
Official trailer.
Forest. Hi guys, this is our school project Gaming College. Sana magustuhan nyo and try nyo. If may bug experience, please restart lang yung app and good to go.
Wala.
Sige. Kung lalaro natin or...
Nah, bro. It's too late, bro. Nasa Umamusume era na ako, okay? Di na ako maglalaro ng ano.
Oh shit, it's Squid Game, bro.
XO, bro. Why would I play an Aokigahara Forest game when I already did it IRL, bro? It's Google Translate.
Are you ready to enter the most haunted forest in Japan? What the fuck was that?
The trailer, bro.
The trailer, man.
Trailer, bro. I like the art, though. The art kind of.
Bro, it's a college project, though.
Yeah,
so you know.
Art kind of look good. In no way, there are no cabins in Aokigahara Forest. I can confirm, okay. It's one of those games, man. Yeah.
And it's on a phone.
I like the art, though. Putang ina.
SCP.
Look at those.
Sika platformer na naimahabol sa'yo.
Nice.
W game, bro. Isa sa mag-comment ka sa baba kung nakapasa ka and kung ikaw ba ang
kung ikaw ba ang nilaban sa ibang school.
Tama.
Pero nice project, man.
Game Jolts, bro.
Game Jolts.
For Neil, bro.
Only
it's for you, bro.
Nakuha ni Mardokyo. Mardokyo, pinasa ka. Oliver, pinasa ka. Tanginang yan.
Bakit? Ano problema? Puro pasa. Wait, what's wrong? What did he do something wrong?
Kada pasa kasi sinasabi yung family name.
Yung akala mo, isushoot na puta, papasa pa rin eh.
Pagod na siya mag-announce.
Nainis na yung announcer.
Tanginang yan.
Sasalaksak na puta, pinasa pa rin. Putang ina yan. Paano mo nang salaksakit, takinang pinasa pa din.
It's not only for me, it's for Chris too. Kita yung nag-gets niya. Ayaw niya lang magbola, pero mataas na halis siya sa basketball, okay?
Ain't no way,
siya
bro.
si Coach Ansay, okay?
Yan ang Coach Ansay.
Ito na pala yung fan art eh.
Let's go, let's see the fun art.
It's fan art, man.
Wait, sige pa.
Next?
Damn,
bro.
Ain't no way, bro.
Next?
Ain't no way, Tasho.
Oh, shit, bro.
Why you built dip here, bro? You built dip
again. What the fuck's name are you doing?
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
The biceps are ano though?
Ain't no way.
Ain't
no way. What the fuck? Look at that bamboo.
Tasho ulit, gagi. Damn, Tasho. Dami mo naman ng project.
Oo nga, si Tasho ulit.
Yun nga, ang dami niyang pinapost eh.
Damn, Tasho.
Diba,
no wonder the art
ka
is
ba?
pretty good, bro. No wonder the art in the game is pretty good.
Ito, PR Alexa. Ito, nare-reactan na namin. Beautiful Fox.
First arrived from Amazon, I didn't know what it was.
Wait, parang mapanood natin to.
You'll see.
Ang hina.
Is it for me?
Yun talaga.
It's for everyone. It's called Amazon.
Place.
How's it going?
I'm just finishing up right now.
Is it on?
It's so long, bro. It's too long, bro. It's too long. I think I gotta get it now.
Yeah, I get
Alexa.
it now.
Fuck! Fuck!
What are you doing?
Awesome.
Nah.
So it's a bunch of sound bites from us.
Yeah, bro.
We get it. Okay, good effort, but.
Bro, good effort. Beautiful Fox.
Oh shit, Bakshin, bro. Yan ang good effort.
Ito.
Bakshin agad eh.
You know, I'm so salty. I still haven't unlocked that song sa account ko.
Dove.
Yeah, bro. I vibe.
Salty boy.
I vibe to that
Tapos
shit.
na-unlock agad ni Chris.
Hindi ka.
Ano naman sa
Yan,
Spectrum.
putang ina Spectrum. Bakit ba nag-ano si Ryza May? Putang ina. Ilang beses ko na nakita si Ryza May sa kung ano-ano mga putang ina ng videos na lalapastangan siya. Ganun. Kaya.
Yung makakatulog ka na sana ka sa di naka-premium.
Nagpa-place ka ng white noise. Ay, nagpa-play ka ng white noise. So tell me my ad.
Get peace of mind knowing what's coming next when you're listening.
How can you get peace of mind, bro?
When you're not in premium.
Okay, next.
Yeah, YouTube Premium #1.
Yeah, bro, having a girlfriend is a scam. Being married is also a scam. So, yeah.
Oh, what?
Little tip for the future. I am always right. Even when I'm wrong, I'm right.
What?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure. Yes.
She's right.
Just gonna
She's
agree,
right.
okay?
Yo, she's right, bro. She's right.
Damn, Everdig, bro. Active na Adam sa Everdig, ah. He knows where to find the 2 golden treasures.
1,007 years old, I only see my goals. I don't believe in failure, cause I know the...
Nagalit eh.
Nagalit.
Dangit!
Okay, susunod, MTG.
MTG.
Oh, no!
Legendary land. Get flooded with the waters of the PR.
What's the effect?
The fuck?
Hindi mo magagamit yung land mo.
Dapat
hanggat yung land na yan nasa battlefield.
Gumawa ka pa ng legendary land. Kung puta ka na, magbabayad kami ng mana. Puta ka na, what the fuck is this shit, man?
Putang ina mana yun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ganda nga yan, mapa-flood lahat ng lands nyo. So parang land wipe
Ba't
siya.
ka pa naglaro ng land, di ba?
Tento cast? Putang ina nga. Ano yan, bro?
Tento ka sa legendary land? Meron bang ganun?
It's the late game, bro, okay?
What do you mean late game? It's a land card where you're not supposed to fucking pay man on it.
Yung trigger niya kasi, oh. Or baka ito makukuha mong mana.
What the hell?
Go play.
Parents of the year, everyone.
Maganda, masaya to eh.
We already watched this. We already watched this, man. No, why are you acting like that?
What?
I've
seen this on FB.
I've seen this on video. I saw FB.
The event start 2 AM. Your wallet's empty.
Guess I will wait for the video or podcast.
That's true. Nandito ka ba nun, Nil? 27?
Yes naman.
Okay.
Usapang ano pala eh? Usapang MTG pala eh.
Edging, bro.
Usapang edging. So just gonna us talk about the event.
Next one. What you beat?
I've seen this.
いきなり接客開始。進んでいいかよこれ以上。いや、ちょっと待って。
What the hell?
Nice one. Back. Nice one. Ay putang.
So everything can be used as a ano.
It is. You can, bro.
That's freaking nice. Dad.
Sinilyan.
Sinilyan nga.
No!
What do you mean, no?
Hey!
Putang yan.
Tumango eh.
Hindi pinapansin. Puta ka na sinuntok eh.
Feeling ko, ito na ang last natin. Best ads ever.
We gotta wrap it up.
Alright? Dahil mag-isang oras na po kami nagre-rack dito, mga kaibigan.
Check out G2A.com.
Oh, shit!
Largest marketplace for digital entertainment. Get the best deals on games, credit, gadgets, and other things. Buy more while saving more with G2A.
Holy shit, it actually pretty good. What the fuck?
Damn, bro.
G2A, baka naman.
Holy shit.
That is
fuck.
Low-key.
Holy shit, man. Send mo yung link na yun sa akin. Bro, give me that shit. Give me that shit. Send that shit to me, bro. Holy shit.
Gagawin na yan.
Okay, pretty good.
Maganda, doon na natapos.
Okay, pretty good. What the fuck?
Marami pa dito, mga kaibigan.
Next time na yan. Magkasama na si Ken.
Next time na yan.
Next time na yan. Tapos yung mga...
Huminto tayo dito sa best ad ever, okay?
Markahan mo na kasi yung mga hindi natin, yung mga napalit natin madaanan.
Hindi, mahirap eh. Pag ninyo eh, tataas rin.
Ay, no way, bro.
So guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope nag-enjoy kayo lahat.
Yes, sir.
At mag-post pa kayo sa PRUD posting. And kung gusto nyo may reactan kami, i-comment nyo lang dyan. And syempre, gusto lang namin i-shoutout ang aming mga
Patreon!
Patreon! Sino dyan? Sino yung isa natin dyan?
Sino dyan?
Ang pinaka bago hanggang pinaka luma.
What?
Ang mga Patreons natin, simula sa bago sa pinaka luma.
Sige, sabihin mo.
Wala ako, hindi nakabukas sa akin.
Tang ina mo pala eh.
Kaya nga sinabi ko sa inyo eh.
Tang ina mo pala eh. Buksan na yan, John.
Thank you for watching. Peace out.
It's gone.
What?
Yan. Kakasend ko lang.
Okay, sino yung pinaka Ako shoutout ko to si Eswar, bro.
Ay, si Eswar.
Oh my God, Eswar.
Sa pinaka matagal na sumusuporta.
Siyempre.
Shoutout ko si Chixie Rogue.
Let's go, Chixie
Rogue. Sa pangalawa.
Let's go.
Shoutout sa
Pangatlo. Siyempre si Boss Jaytan.
Tama.
Boss Jaytan.
Na dumadalo sa mga streams natin. Maraming salamat, Boss Jaytan.
And syempre, shoutout sa mga nanitira, si Articles, si John Anthony, and Vad Drudo.
Vad Drudo, bro.
Shoutout sa inyo. And sa bagong Patreon natin, si Azilea.
Ain't no way.
Azilea.
Kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout, alam mo na, visit the link sa baba.
Thank you so much, Patreon. Sa mga gusto, alam nyo na, andyan lang sa baba yun.
Hanggat di pa marami.
Oo.
Tama. Pag dumami kayo, hindi na namin kayo shoutout natin.
Rin lang. Maraming salamat. Kita sa next video.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.